I know we were expecting some rain tonight, but the chances have kind of dwindled off.
Yeah, unfortunately, we were trying to stay positive with this one because it's hard not to forecast rain when every single computer model is hinting at it. And you know what? We just had too much dry air in place today. However, that's not to say that we're not going to see anything. You see this little narrow band of showers? Yes, it's headed our way with the official push through of the cold front. So that is our saving grace tonight. So we'll likely see that move through between midnight and 3 a.m. Now, the lucky ones, I guess you could say, are the folks in Central Florida, where that batch off of the Gulf of Mexico really slid more easterly versus northeasterly. And if it did have more of that northerly component, it would right now be in some of our southern counties. But it is still continuing to erode away as far as the heaviest of the rain as it moves towards the east, just because we did have a lot of dry air in place across the Atlantic coast today. Now, we do have this narrow band of showers. I'm thinking they'll move through just after midnight, a very quick hit with some showers, not even any thunderstorms with this one. As far as rainfall amounts go, yeah, the computer models have obviously backed off on that as well. Remember, I said earlier we'd be lucky if we get a 1/10 of an inch of rain, and yes, that still stands with the forecast rainfall amounts barely about a 1/10 of an inch through tomorrow morning. Now, as we wake up tomorrow morning, things are going to be nice and clear. We're going to have very breezy winds out of the northwest, and also with that, a fire weather watch that the National Weather Service has issued. No outdoor burning recommended tomorrow, and any fires that possibly spark will have the potential to spread very rapidly because of the low humidity and also the very dry air. So just keep that in mind. So again, as far as our futurecast goes, this is still kind of hinting at a little bit more precipitation than what I'm thinking will happen. However, it paints a good picture of that line rolling through from midnight to about 3 a.m. and then quickly pushing offshore as we're waking up on our Wednesday morning. So again, we've got this front to move through, but then much drier air behind it for the next several days, even some cold conditions by Thursday and Friday mornings. Heather will break that down in just a bit.
All right. Thank you, Lauren.